because it's not so hot at all. I still use oven gloves to put it in though, and still remember to still a lot in there. It smells like white chocolate, which is really nice. Comment down below what is your favourite type of chocolate. Could be dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, and yeah. So I haven't fully put all of it in yet. I've put like half of it in, and I'm going to preheat the oven now. So I will be back in 1 minute. You can just look at, no, you cannot look at that. You can just talk to the banana. Because they're not letting go of each other. Talk to the bananas. Yeah, talk to them. How'd you do? Get the conversation going. Stop the chat, bananas. I forgot to check what temperature it's on. So 180 Celsius. Always on 180. It's just always is. Why? Okay, let's just put that. Okay, so 180 Celsius. Keep talking, bananas. Dab is dead. Don't do it. Hold the talk. I'm back. Okay, so back to your friends. Stay. Okay, so let's just, I almost dropped it then. Just pour the rest in. And I shall get a spoon to do it. Warning, don't do it like that. Never do it like that. Hurry up. Okay, never mind. As I was saying, never do it like that. Because you're going to want to do it like this. Not like that. First, I'm just going to scoop off that because that is taking a very long time. And then just want to grip it tight. Try and grip it tight. Hold it by your chest and just keep it pouring. I almost put my mouth in it. And then, as you can see, it's all dripping off at the end here as well. But because I'm on my tiptoes, it's not coming out. It's not coming out of the tin. Look how far we've come. Smells very good. Okay, this is taking ages, so I'm just going to hold it there. Oh no, my hands are getting all battery now, so I'm going to hold it back that's as much as I can really get out. So I'm just going to clean up the sides. Look how far we've come now, 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 now. I'm ready, I'm ready. Not doing it. I'll do it at the end. I'm scared. I just don't know why. Shaky. How far we've come. Okay, so if you want to take a smidge of that, I know. Get a knife, get a knife. I got a knife, be careful. Don't worry, it's just a table knife, it won't hurt me. Unless I play with it, but I won't. So, I'm going to put some S in it. And then maybe a C. Whoa, found a new logo. SC, what do you think? No, 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 no. The face just came out. No. The face just popped out. Lucky that all didn't come spilling out. Okay. Not recommending to getting one of these. Okay, so I'm just going to put a new logo on there. See? There. You want to see? Yes. Hopefully that will stay while baking. So, come with me. We're going to take this. Let's go. Oh, I can't open the door now. Okay, 1 minute. I might just open the door first and redo my S about 300 more times. I should have really put this in a smaller tin, because then it would have gone a bit higher. And it's got a lot of air bubbles in there, which I was not expecting. This line should work. There we go. Look how far we've come. I'm just going to open the door now. And there are no more doors to open, so let's go. Look how far we've come now. You can just smell the oven cooking. Okay. So, let's go in. Let's just get our oven gloves. I'm ready, ready. Look how far we've come. So, just gonna open the oven door first. Doesn't seem so hot, which I was hoping for. So, yes, going. Doesn't matter. We'll do it different. Okay. Oh. The hole isn't big enough, so I might have to bring this out. Oh, this is very hot, very, very hot. But, look how far we've come. Are you ready? Okay, I might just put it on the top layer. Hopefully it fits in. Okay, it's not fitting in. So, I'm just going to have to bring that out. That here. Get an adult to help with this. Always get an adult to help with oven stuff. And yeah. Okay, is it still not fitting in? Phew, fits in. And I also forgot to check how long we need it in for. So if you'd like to come with me again to check. Okay, so I got a new hamster, and I will do another video on how it turns out. And I will also put on that my hamster right before it's cooked. So let's check the recipe. 50 to 60 minutes. Oh my goodness. See you in about an hour. Bye. I've been in for 55 minutes. Right. Oh, I'm really scared. Okay, anyway. Look how far we... Okay, never mind. 50 minutes it is. Exactly 55. So, bye-bye. That is not the correct time on there. So, already smells really nice. So, bye-bye. Viewers, comment down below which is your favourite chocolate and how you think it's going to turn out. And I will do my next video on how, on my hamster and the turnout, which is going to be about in an hour. See ya.